Debt collectors, when they call your phone, what you need to understand is that they're trying to do one thing. One thing. They're trying to get payment information so they can collect payment on the debt that they have in their office. Why is that important to them? Well, that's how they make their living. They receive a commission for every payment they receive from you. So when they call you, they're going to try whatever they can to get a payment out of you. And the first thing that you want to avoid when a debt collector calls you, you never want to acknowledge that the debt is yours. Hey, this is Jason with ABC Collection Company. I'm calling you because we have an AT&T bill in our office that we just received, and we noticed that the balance has been unpaid. However, I was calling you to collect payment on this account. When can we get that payment out of you, Deborah? Oh, I don't know, how much do I owe? Okay, here's my payment information. That's not what you want to do. What you don't want to do is, you don't want to acknowledge that the debt is yours, because once you acknowledge the debt is yours, they can use that in court. And last time I checked, snitches get stitches. And in this situation, the stitches are paying on an account that you probably don't have to. And if they need to, if they have the right information, they will try to sue your ass. So be careful. Never acknowledge that the debt is yours.